looking up and I'm looking down?
Because I'm looking here.
Okay.
So you have to speak to the camera. The camera's over here, okay? No, you have to look over here. Can you make that face? Over and out. Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Or thanks for joining us, right? This is my niece, Jasmine. You guys have requested that my daughter do my makeup, but Sophia's way too young to understand and to like sit here. She'll probably just like do it all on her own face. So we're gonna have Jasmine, who is, how old are you? Speak.
4.
Okay, she's 4. She's gonna be doing my makeup today, and she's gonna make me beautiful, right? Are you gonna make me beautiful?
Yeah.
Like really beautiful, or just like a little bit?
Really beautiful.
Or like ugly?
I'm not ugly, you're beautiful.
Aw, thank you. Okay, so don't wipe my kiss.
Why?
Because why are you wiping it?
Because
Okay. So Jasmine is gonna be doing my makeup today. So are you gonna tell everyone what you're gonna use on my face?
I'm gonna use this.
Hold it up to the camera.
This.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's foundation. What else are you gonna use? That's glow drops.
Yeah. And this is...
What does that look like?
I don't know.
What if you were to guess, what would you say?
A sponge?
That doesn't look like a sponge. Bronzer.
Sponge.
Okay, so she's going to be using a bunch of different products on my face here that we picked out together, right? And let's see what she creates because I'm kind of nervous. So yeah, if you guys want to see what Jasmine transforms me into, then please stay tuned and we'll get it started. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Tell them, say subscribe. Come on, say it, please.
No.
Then we're not going to do makeup.
No.
Just say subscribe.
Let's vote.
Okay, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
You have to look here. Say please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Okay. And turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, let's get started! So today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Foundation. This is in the shade Toasted Coconut. Alright, so you gotta put it on your hand and then you use the sponge to put it on my face, okay?
Why are you putting it on my hand?
Because you gotta hold the sponge. Hold the sponge like this. Dip it in there and then you put it on my face. Yeah, on my face. On this side. Everywhere. Everywhere. You're only doing my cheek, you have to do everywhere. My whole face. Head. My nose. You're gonna need more on my nose.
Yeah.
Get some more. Nose. I don't think you put it everywhere.
I did.
Look, you missed a bunch of spots. My chin.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Finish all of that on my face. Mm-hmm. Good. And your forehead. done? Okay. Next, you're gonna have to use... Hey, where did all of our brushes go? Oh, here they are. Remember I showed you the big brushes? They're for the face. So find a big brush.
Big brush.
So we're gonna be using the Fit Me powder in the shade 230.
Sophia doesn't know how to do this makeup, right?
No.
I know how to do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, you're right-handed and you're left-handed? You know how to use both of your hands?
No, I'm doing it right here.
Oh. You need more. Bro, she's using both hands. That's cool. Next, we're gonna be using our Cover FX Illuminating Drops in Moonlight.
Yes.
On this cheek first.
It's dropping.
You gotta use the beauty blender. You gotta use the beauty blender. That's not the beauty blender.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, now do my other side.
Are you like Cinderella?
Yeah.
There's two on your other side.
Next, we're gonna use the Smashbox Cosmetics Warm Matte Bronzer to bronze up my cheeks, hopefully. More. You gotta use more than that. Okay. Cheeks. This cheek. This cheek.
Oh.
Now we're gonna be using the Sigma Beauty Corda Rosa Blush.
Blush.
This goes on my cheeks also.
It's getting pink.
Yeah, looks pretty, right? Okay, that's a lot of dipping. Next, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo in the shade Ebony for our brows.
Oh.
Not too much, not too much. Yeah, like that. Do my eyebrows.
I'm done.
I think you didn't do this one.
I did.
You need more.
Okay. I did it.
Yep, they look beautiful. Thank you.
Now do I do it?
Okay, now you can brush them.
I did it.
It looks so beautiful. I really love my face. Looks so pretty. Salam. Jasmine is doing my makeup.
Oh my god, ma io non ce l'ho rido tutta fatta apposta.
Do I look beautiful, Ma?
Yeah, very beautiful. Jasmine, did it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you are so good. You are makeup
You're a makeup artist?
Does this go
Okay, خيبرين بوز باتن زang may zanam.
Does this go with it? Does this go with it?
Next, we'll be going in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills Breezy highlighter.
What's this for?
The cheeks, the up part of the cheeks up here.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
There.
On the other side.
Those parts.
Next, we're gonna use our Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Eyeshadow Palette. Which color do you want to use on the eyes? I can bet you she's gonna use...
Purple. Your favorite?
Okay, not too much, not too much.
This is your favorite purple?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? On your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
It's getting purple.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's droopy. That's better.
And the other one?
Let's do another one.
My other eye.
Then we're gonna do another one.
Mm-hmm.
There.
I think you need a bit more on this eye of mine.
Your face looks, I don't know. I don't know what your face looks like.
It doesn't look pretty?
No, I don't know what your face looks like.
What do you mean?
Now we're gonna
Wanna
do
do the pink one?
enough pink. On this side.
My other eye?
There. Nice.
Oh yeah, I look beautiful. What, I don't look beautiful?
But why are your eyes like
Like what? You did them.
milky?
What other color do you want to use?
Really clean.
No, you don't have to clean it. Why do you want to
Why?
clean it? Use a different color.
This one?
You want to use the blue one?
Golden.
Golden? Okay. Gentle, gentle, gentle. The golden is very soft. Okay. Go ahead.
It's getting cold.
Wow. And the other one. Okay.
Sophia's gonna love your makeup.
I know.
She's gonna love it. She's gonna say, no, your dress is golden, not your eye, your dress. You don't have a dress, right?
Who else is gonna love my makeup?
Mommy?
You think she's gonna love it? You think she's gonna be jealous?
No, she's not.
She's not gonna be jealous of my makeup because she doesn't have makeup?
She
Okay.
does.
Yeah, but not this beautiful.
She's not beautiful.
She is beautiful, but not this beautiful makeup. That's good. That's a lot of gold.
Over here?
Mm-hmm.
Looking pretty. It's pretty.
I'm looking pretty? Good. Do you think Sophia's dad is gonna love my makeup?
Yep.
Okay, now do the other eye too. Gentle. Do I look beautiful?
Yep. You do.
I think I look so pretty. I love these colors.
It looks like you have a mask.
A pretty one?
It looks like you have a mask.
Like a pretty mask or like an ugly mask?
A pretty mask.
Okay. Yeah. And like you have to make it longer.
Longer
Like up to here.
to here.
Draw the line all the way. Yeah, I like it long. Yeah, like that. And the other one.
Right here.
Yeah. I think you need to do a little more there.
Little more there.
On this side. Yeah, I think that's good, right? Yeah, that looks nice.
You look like a Cinderella.
Thank you. I love Cinderella. She's so beautiful.
Maybe you look like Belle.
Belle? I love Belle even more. We forgot to mention that the eyeliner we used is a Tarte Cosmetics Sex Kitten eyeliner. The lipstick we'll be going in with today is the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Coachella.
Turn it off your makeup.
You think so?
Sophia does it. Sophia's, when she runs away, she's gonna say Sophia. You're gonna say Sophia, look. And she's gonna run away. You think so?
Why would she run away? Do I look that ugly?
No.
So why would she run away?
I don't know. I think she's gonna run away. She won't.
Because I'm ugly?
No.
Jasmine, did you make me ugly?
No. You said you're pretty.
Yeah, but you're the one saying that Sophia's gonna run away. I don't know why she would run away. I look beautiful.
So changes. I don't know. She's gonna love it.
That's not my job. You have to clean it. You're the makeup artist.
Would you clean it with this?
No.
With what? That.
Okay, I think we're done. We just have to spray my face now. You just keep spraying my face.
But nothing? Nothing?
What do you mean?
But not a sponge? We didn't do this.
Oh, you're right. We didn't do that. Here, you have to use that into the Laura Mercier powder. You take some of the powder on the sponge.
This one?
Mm-hmm. That's good, that's good, that's good. And then just put it on my face.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Everywhere. Yeah.
Oh. It's going on your shirt.
That's okay. It always goes on my shirt.
You can clean it?
Mm-hmm. On my other side.
Wow, Jasmine, that makeup is beautiful.
Look at these feet.
Yeah.
Huh?
You gotta do it harder than that. Use your thumb. Use your thumb.
You gotta close your eyes. Close your eyes.
What, do you like it? Here. Okay, I think that's enough spray.
Yeah, just a little more. No,
This is the finished look.
she looks pretty.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. I made it super, super easy for you to find me and follow me. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Say bye to them.
Bye.
Say peace out. Do I look beautiful?
Yeah.